Oh, it's rolling. It's got the wiggle and everything. On the bench, the soldering iron. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. I just picked up a new charger for the daggone Mini Kraton. It runs on a smart system. This thing is a really nice car, but it comes with an IC2. We're gonna cut this IC2 off. We're gonna put an IC3 on there. We're gonna take this battery brace off and we're gonna put battery straps on there. That's all gonna allow us to get a bigger battery for more power. And we know more power, we go faster. So that's what we're gonna do today. These batteries, if you can see, this is an excellent option. This is the Powerhobby 3000 milliamp. It's cheaper and it's probably more powerful than the smart battery that this thing came with. But as you see, this has an IC2 on it and this has an IC3 on it. So I need to change out all of these in this video. Do this at your own discretion at home, because if you cut this thing off, I'm pretty sure you're gonna avoid your warranty. But we're doing it. Come on, man. If you get this to the people at Arma, tell them to put an IC3 on the next version, please. Those rosin flux fumes look pretty cool, but just make sure you ventilate your space. You don't want to suck that stuff up and breathe it, you know what I mean? Have occupational health, man. Lungs be all jacked up. Perfect practice makes perfect. I've been playing around with this soldering iron for a good 2 years now. I'm getting pretty good at it. And if you're here to learn how to solder, this is my 2 cents. Let the iron heat up all your metal 5 to 10 seconds. Then you can introduce your solder. You'll watch the solder just melt all the way down to the bottom of the cup. And once you fill the cup, you're done. Easy peasy. And don't sniff the fumes. I'm telling you, the first couple of times you're going to forget this sleeve and have to start all over. Make sure you set yourself up for success. Now, I noticed that they called the Kraton the Mini Kraton and didn't call it a Kraton Grom. The IC2 was fine for the Groms, but this is a Kraton. We need an IC3 minimum. And you'll probably notice this third wire. That's for the telemetry in the smart system. That's only on the smart batteries by Spectrum. This little guy is super small and delicate, so I'm gonna tin it first. Adding a small touch of solder to each side, and then when I put them together and heat them up, bam, it'll stick. Oh, and my second tip, don't rush to put this sleeve back on, because this thing is hot, 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 hot. Now, all my other Kratons and all my other Groms all have battery straps. Why we went to a battery door on this one, I'm not sure. But we're taking the door off, we're putting straps in. This is a small upgrade, but it's going to allow you to be more versatile in your battery selection. After we remove this one hinge, this whole door comes right on off. Now there's 13 screws right in the middle here. One of them is going to be a little longer than the rest. Let me show you what I mean. Bang, you see what I mean? It goes right there. Other than that, just take all of them out and this whole thing comes out. The motor is all attached. And once you expose the bottom, you just have this one screw to take out. Attach the strap brace here, and the rest is pretty self-explanatory. Now, I know you thought I was going to hit that trash can. Absolutely not. And I know that's more than 48 miles an hour. I know it. $52. Lock it in. Yeah, man. So you put the proper battery on it, it'll get you over 50, just like it says on the box. I feel like that IC2 was holding it back a little bit. Both batteries are 30C, so it wasn't a 30C, but the old battery was a 2000 milliamp. This is a 3000 milliamp. What would happen if we took these wheels and put them on this? Let's find out. Let's go. Hey man, if you like content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Tell a friend to tell a friend from a 5-7. I'm sick, people. I'm sick. Oh, it's rolling. It's got the wiggle and everything. So I know it's rolling. When it wiggle like that, stop, read, 53, lock it in. IC3 plug, thumbs up. Bigger tires, thumbs down. Got 52 miles an hour out of this thing, 48 last time I did it, so 4 miles an hour faster, definitely an upgrade. The battery strap, definite upgrade. You could get a bigger battery in there with the IC3, more power going into the car can go faster. Do all the tricks and stunts you wanted to do. So, hey man, let me know what else you want to see. Leave me a note in the comment. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know what you want to see next from a 5-7. See you on the next one.